Hi everyone, this is Mike from Herbert-ABS with another Learning Series video. In this video, I'm going to continue our series on the bulk pile tool, this time focusing on the definition of loading patterns, which can be used to rapidly create and modify typical loading situations created using the bulk pile tool. I've got our self-unloading bulker demo open here, starting with an empty loading condition. I'm going to open the bulk pile tool and go to the pattern ribbon. To speed things up, I've already got two patterns defined. Let's start with the sequential loading one. I can select it from the list and hit Edit to modify it. In this screen, I can see how the sequence was defined and edit or modify it if necessary. This one is designed to load each hatch individually or sequentially, moving forward on the even hatches, then coming back on the odd ones. I can see that I have a total of 21 separate steps. The main concept to think of here is that this is just a template to use. It doesn't have to be exact. We can set placeholders for the weight, cargo, and loading here, but can always easily go back and change them. For now, I'll just hit OK, and then I'm going to click the Apply Selected Pattern button to apply. That will rapidly load the loading pattern in. Now let's say that the load I wanted to investigate was a different type of stone, and I had some more specific numbers from the loader. I've got 90% of the definition already done here. I can then easily change the cargo. Let's say we want to use this 1-inch stone instead. I can select it from the list, apply it to all the holds, and my cargo will be updated automatically. Let's also say that we had some real weights as well. Maybe this hatch was 1,100 tons, and this hatch was 1,200 tons. Again, very simple to make small modifications. Finally, I can hit OK, and I can view the results in CargoMax. Everything looks good. I very rapidly created an accurate loading definition based on the template. Let's go back and look at the simultaneous loading pattern instead. If I select and edit this simultaneous loading pattern that I've already defined, I can see that I have one main difference. Instead of 20 or so individual steps, this time I've selected the simultaneous toggle, and my steps column is now editable. And I've only got 2 steps defined in this pattern. The first step, I have all the odd hatches being loaded. Then in the second step, the evens. Let's actually make a third step, this time doing just a couple trim hatches. Let's say hatch 3 with 100 tons, and let's say hatch 10 with 100 tons. We'll give these step 3, and now we can hit OK to save the pattern. And now I can hit Apply Selected Pattern. Now when this is loaded, we can see that we get a much simpler loading, this time showing the 3 simultaneous steps. Again, from here I could change cargo, weights, or tweak things as needed. To summarize, the goal of defining loading patterns is that many loads can be similar, and by doing the detailed work once to set up the pattern, subsequent loading investigations can be done much quicker. That's all for this video. We'll have one more video coming to look at the patterns further and to investigate individual steps within the sequence. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this learning video. For more information, please visit us at www.herbert-abs.com or email us at info@herbert-abs.com.